Welcome to Stress News. My name is Samantha Emerson, and my colleague is Peter Easton.
We have energy advisor Jonathan Harper in the studio. He will tell us how to get more energy in our daily lives. Today, he will talk about exercise and how we can use it to get less stressed and get more energy.
Jonathan, why is exercise a good idea for most people when they have stress?
When we exercise, our bodies create endorphins and our bodies become more oxygenated, giving us more energy.
Is it okay to exercise when we are on the yellow stress level?
On the yellow level, exercising is great because we still have energy. Here we can choose any exercise we like, but we have to be careful not to overdo it. If we find that we have chosen activities that are exhausting rather than energizing, we have to stop. The goal is to get more energy, not less.
Is it okay to exercise when we are at the red stress level?
It depends on the situation. If we are homesick because we are burned out, then it's much more important to get a lot of sleep, at least in the beginning, because that is the primary need of the body at that point. Once we have slept enough and feel that we have energy again, then we can begin to exercise.
How long does it take before we can start exercising if we are on the red level and have had a stress breakdown?
It depends on the extent of the burnout. I would say 1 to 2 months before the body starts to have enough energy.
What happens if we start exercising too early?
It will make us feel exhausted and like we drained all our energy.
What types of exercise should we do once we feel that we have enough energy again?
I would say mild forms of exercise. It could be walking or slow biking.
If we have been sleeping a lot over an extended period, isn't it difficult to start exercising again?
Yes, it will always be difficult at the beginning.
How do we start exercising again?
Be realistic rather than ambitious in the beginning. Start with a 5-minute walk the first day, and then spend another 5 minutes each day you exercise. Continue to increase your daily training until you reach 1 hour.
Jonathan, do you have any questions for those who have followed this TV broadcast today?
Yes, I do. Have you learned something new today? Do you need to exercise more?
Jonathan, what are you going to tell us about tomorrow?
Tomorrow we will look at how we can get better at doing the things we like to do.
Thank you, Energy Advisor Jonathan Harper.
See you all tomorrow on Stress News.